In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add CNAME in Hostinger. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Start by signing in to your Hostinger account to open the H panel. This is where you manage hosting, domains, and DNS settings, so make sure you're using the account that controls the domain you want to change. Once you're in the H panel, go to the Domain section. From there, open your domain portfolio and select the domain you want to work with. Click Manage to open that domain's control area. This will bring up the domain overview where DNS and name server settings are available. Look for the DNS name servers option and open it. You'll see tabs or sections for DNS records. Choose the type or tab that lists DNS records so you can create a new entry. In that view, select CNAME as the record type. For the CNAME record, the name or host field is where you enter the subdomain you want to point elsewhere. Use a short label like www or blog. You do not need to type your full domain name because Hostinger appends it automatically. Keep this field clean and avoid including extra punctuation or spaces. In the target field, enter the full domain name where you want the subdomain to point. This must be a domain name, not an IP address. Double-check spelling and that the target actually resolves to the intended destination. Remember that a CNAME points one domain name to another, so it's ideal when you want a subdomain to follow another host name. For TTL, it's usually best to leave the default setting, typically 4,400 seconds, unless you have a specific reason to change caching behavior. Lower TTLs update faster but can create more DNS traffic. Higher TTLs cache longer. After you've filled in the host, target, and left the TTL at its default, click Add Record to save the new CNAME entry. Hostinger will add that record to your DNS configuration. A couple of quick tips. You can't create a CNAME for the root domain, the apex. CNAMEs must be used on subdomains. Also avoid creating a CNAME where another record with the same name already exists. DNS changes usually propagate within minutes to a few hours, but can sometimes take up to 24 to 48 hours. If you want to confirm the change, use a DNS lookup tool or the Hostinger DNS panel to verify the new CNAME is listed and resolving correctly. That's it. Your CNAME is added.